Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Martin from Email Bouncer, and welcome to today's tutorial. So, if you've been looking for a webmail sender that lands inbox with 100% deliverability, then you are in the right place. Today, I will show you a live demonstration of a Roundcube Webmail login that has a 10 over 10 deliverability score and also lands inbox for all email service providers. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that this Roundcube Webmail setup was done on a VPS with a dedicated IP, and this means that you're not sharing the SMTP server with anyone. It's for you and you alone. And with a setup like this, inbox placement is guaranteed. So without wasting much time, let's get straight to business. So I'll be sending a test email to 4 of the top email service providers: Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft, and Proton. And I'll also be sending a deliverability test to Mail Tester. So let's generate a test email address for Mail Tester before we proceed. So I have Mail Tester opened in my browser. I just head there and copy the email address. And I head back to my Roundcube. And then let me just edit one of the previous campaigns I sent to save time. Click on more, click on edit as new, and then I'll just replace the previous mail tester address with this new one here. So this one is a Gmail address, this one is a Yahoo address, this is from Proton, and this is from Microsoft. And I have my mail tester address. So I'll just switch the subject headline. I said this one is for you, and then I'll click on send to run the test. So we should have the message here: success message sent successfully. So let's start from Mail Tester to check our deliverability score. So if I head over to Mail Tester and I click on then check your score. Perfect. So we had a 10 over 10 deliverability score on Mail Tester. Now let's check for Gmail. Awesome. For Gmail, it landed inbox as well. So let's check for Yahoo. We should check all folders. Awesome. For Yahoo, it also landed in the inbox. Now let's check for Proton and Microsoft. So this is for Microsoft. Let me check my inbox here. Okay, I've seen the notification already, but let me just refresh it so you can see it yourself. We can see from this icon here, a new message has popped in and definitely it landed inbox. Let me check for Proton first. I don't know why Microsoft is taking so long to load up. Okay, so here's from Proton. It landed inbox. Now let's head back to Microsoft. Let me reload the page. Awesome. It landed inbox for Microsoft. So guys, that's it. And if you want me to help you set this up, then you can reach out to me directly on TikTok. This is my TikTok handle. You can reach out to me on TikTok at Email Bouncer and send me a direct message. Let's wait for it to load up. Yeah, so this is my TikTok page. TikTok.com/email bouncer. You can message me directly on TikTok, or you can join our Telegram group at Mail Planet. T.me/Mail Planet. This is our Telegram group. You can join this Telegram group where you have access to free email resources, free courses, and tools to help you scale up your email marketing game. And alternatively, you can also contact me directly on our website, the contact form page on our website, emailbouncer.org/contact us. So this is our contact page right here. Here you can just reach out to me on the contact us page on our website and send me a message, and I would reply as quickly as possible. And if you'd also love to learn how to do this on your own, then you can check out our course on Email Bouncer Academy, the Roundcube Webmail Mastery course on Email Bouncer Academy. And this course right here will teach you not just how to set up the Roundcube Webmail on a VPS server. It also covers how to fully authenticate your Roundcube Webmail SMTP with DKIM, DMARC, SPF, and reverse DNS for guaranteed inbox placement. It's just $59 and it comes with a lifetime access. You could check it out and check out the curriculum for yourself. You'd also learn how to properly warm up your Roundcube email, set up email signatures, and other important configurations inside the Roundcube Webmail client. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video across your network. Bye-bye.